Hey everybody, I'm just showing you a little bit what we're gonna do today in this house. It's a new house I'm going to start a project on. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up after I move out. I think they did a little bit of construction work in here, and we're gonna get it cleaned up. I'll show you the before, and then we're gonna go on to the after when everything is done and nice and cleaned. So, if you like what you see, just like, share, comment, and give us a call if you need any help. Just gonna go ahead and go through cabinets and just kind of look around and see where I want to go ahead and start today. This is the laundry room. We're just doing a move out cleaning today, so no patch and paint work. Do some carpet cleaning as well. Just give you a little bit of an idea of what we do. Shower needs to be sanitized and get her cleaned up. If you need any move out cleaning, just let us know. Contact me, Betsy, 910-747-7704. Or you can go online, www.123cleanupcrew.com. We do home and office cleaning services, carpet cleaning, move out cleaning, competitive rates, and anything you need cleaned up, you let us know. If you're moving or you moved in a house, I need to go ahead and get cleaned up, let us know. We'll replace your filters. Yeah, some here. And we won't have to worry about it. Once again, my name is Betsy, 123 Cleanup Crew Solutions, 910-747-7704.